Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make good YouTube thumbnails. So we're going to just get straight into it. And if this video does well, I'll make more videos like this in the future. Alright, let's go. So first thing you want to do is you want to come to photop.com. The link will be in the description. Once you get here, you're just going to want to hit New Project. You're going to name your project whatever you want. I'm just going to put YT for this. You're going to want your width to be 1280 and your height 720. And then you're going to come down here to background. You're going to go to transparent, create. Alright, and then you obviously you pick the background that you want. So you just go to open in place, you find the file. For me, my file's right down here. It doesn't have to be a PSD, but that's just what I'm using. So, and this PSD will be in the description, so you guys can use this. Alright. So first things first, if you wanna add something like an icon or something, for example, I'm gonna add a nuke icon, nuke emblem. Okay, you're gonna open that up. Once you have that up and you want to cut it out, I'm gonna show you. So you go down. You're gonna want to zoom in. So you just hit Control and then plus. Then you zoom in, plus again, and then you take the hand down here and you just scroll over like this. And then to cut it out, you're gonna want to take the pen right here and just go around. And to get rid of this red right here, you just go over to opacity and you put it to 0 so that doesn't get in your way. Alright guys, now once you've gone all the way around, you obviously want to connect the last two. And then you want to go to the very first point that you made and you want to right click. Click make a selection and just hit OK. Now from here, you want to go to the layer that you want to cut out. So I want to do the nuke. You click on it and then you hit Control J. Now you want to go over to the move tool, right? Notice how it's just the emblem now. There's no extra thing on the bottom that I had. Now when you move this around, you want to hit Shift so it doesn't so you don't lose your proportions. So I'm just gonna throw it up right here. Right here is good. And then you can add effects. So I'm gonna add you come down here, I'm gonna add an outer glow. So I'm just gonna do like a red outer glow. Alright, now you can see the glow starting to come up. You can make it as thick as you want, the spread as far as you want, the size, a little bit like that. Alright, we got our nuke emblem. Now if you want to add text, you just click on it and then you click T, and up here is where you edit the size. Nuke, I'm gonna just put nuke. You can also change the font down here, super easy. You can change the color too. For this, I'm probably gonna use, I'm gonna use black. I'm gonna use black for this. I'm just gonna put nuke. You can also make it bigger. I'm probably gonna make it bigger. That's not big enough for me. And then if you want to do like one of those clickbait, like red arrow things, but for this video, obviously it's not clickbait, but I'll show you how to do it. So you just take the pen tool, right? And so I'm gonna cover this up. So I'm gonna do, you want to do right here, boom, boom, just like an arrow shape. For me, it's not going to be perfect. I'm just trying to make it nice and quick and fast for you guys. So you don't, you know. Alright, now that you have that, you can add like an outer glow to this as well. So I'm going to add white to this. I'm going to do a white outer glow. I'm going to make the size bigger. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then you're going to take your text, click the move tool. You can move it. Oh yeah, you got to put the nuke above the shape you just made with this. Otherwise it'll be underneath it. You can't see it. So if it's not big enough, you can just widen it. So I'm holding shift to do this so they don't look all distorted. And then you can rotate it. So I'm going to do it like that. Nope. Right? Alright, then I'm going to add an outer glow. I'm going to do white for this. Make it smaller. Like, just like that. That's good. That's good. Okay. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to File. You're going to do Export As. You're going to want to do JPEG, because if you do PNG, then the file will be too big. It'll be over 2 megabytes, which is the max for a thumbnail on YouTube. So you're going to want to do JPEG. So I'm just going to do JPEG. Yep, leave it how it is. Don't edit the quality or anything. Just click Save. And then you just come over here and look at it. Boom, it's ready to go. That's it. Alright, if you guys enjoyed, you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll post more tutorials like this in the future.